Hi, my name is Robert. I've just started a company called Byland's Badass Electric Cruisers. I've got a lot of fun things in store for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys the pitfalls and the things to avoid when you're building your customized electric bicycle. There's a lot of good things out there that you can have and find around, but there's a lot more iffy things that'll cost you a lot of time and money. So either you're considering building your own, when you're doing your research, good job. Lots of research. Do your homework. There's a lot of great YouTube videos out there. They're going to show you exactly how to do some specific things that you want to do. And this bike here, it's got some issues with it. You can pick up one of these felt bikes for around 500 bucks. Craigslist, eBay. This particular one is the Hot Wheels edition. They only made 250 for the 2009 year, which is this one. It's got issues. My motor's coming loose on it again. I'm breaking chains. I've got electronic issues. I got moisture in my display. Well, I got water problems going on here. I've got a lot of things I need to solve, and I look forward to showing you solutions, answers to problems that are unique to the situation that custom builders face when they're putting together these fun toys.